Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know that right now I have no makeup on, my hair is wet from just coming out of the shower, so this is quite an interesting opening to a video. Maybe I will be refilming it later. Let me get a little closer here, but I am getting ready to go see my friends. We're going to go downtown and we're going to be kind of getting some food to eat and then spending the evening there. So I want to get ready now and kind of do a little bit of makeup, so I figured why not take you along with me. So I've already got two things on my face. I have the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer and the Garnier Lift SPF 15 Moisturizer. And today I actually am going to be wearing foundation. So we're going to be using the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation in the shade 00 Light Natural. I like to put it at the back of my hand and then take my brush, which is a Real Techniques brush in pointed foundation brush, and I just kind of put little strips of it all over my face. Now I'm using it today, I'm not really sure why, but I just was, feeling like putting a little bit of foundation on. This is a rare occurrence for me, but that was what I felt like doing, so that's what we're going to be doing today. I like to focus kind of on the inner parts of my face. We'll see if I choose to put concealer on top afterwards, but it'll kind of be a do as we go situation here. It's been a little while since I filmed a video. I've just been kind of busy out and about quite a bit, and I just really didn't get the chance to film much, but I'm happy to be back filming something. I'm not really sure what my routine or my makeup is going to be for today. I'm kind of going with the idea of like a nice glowy look, something that's going to be kind of light. I don't think I'm doing any big pops of color, but we'll see as we go. I'm just gonna quickly spray it now because I do want it to be kind of dewy. Like, I don't want it to be matte. So yeah, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with eyes. Maybe I'll go take a look at the palettes I have. I'm wearing some striped pants, you can see there, and a black shirt. So I don't think I'm doing a lot of color on the face. But I want to do something kind of special. So my most used and favorite palettes are the Modern Renaissance, the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and the Just Peachy palette, and then I also have this Morphe Shimmers palette. So maybe if I lay them all out here, I will be inspired by something. I'm kind of thinking more in the pinks, because I feel like that's doable, but I did do a lot of a pink look recently, so maybe not pink. Maybe like a bronzy gold look, something simple there. Maybe I'll use like the Modern Renaissance and Kat Von D palette. So I like to use the ColourPop concealer on the lid. And shape the brow, and I definitely recommend doing this. It wasn't something I did until I started watching Raw Beauty Christie's videos, and she was doing it, and I realized how transformative doing this is, because originally I was just using a primer really, and so I really like the look of this, and I think it looks really nice. I think that really helps to create a really nice base, because sometimes, you've got veins, and at least I do, on my lid, and I think that really covers it up quite well, so I feel like that is helpful. I might zoom you guys in here a little bit. We're going to start off with the Kat Von D palette, and we're going to use this peachy shade here, but just like a nice peach shade all over the lid. I have no clue what I'm doing, and I'm kind of just winging it completely. So I'm doing a more U shape, not really a winged shape. From there, I kind of want to deepen it up. The raw sienna and burnt orange colors, and very carefully I'm going to put those on the crease. So I'm liking how that is looking. It's got like a nice orange kind of brownie color. Really like that. I think we're going to, you know what, I'm seeing this now. We're going to do a little bit of a cut crease with some kind of glimmery shimmeriness and then dark browns. We're really going to go in dark here, but it's going to be bright on the other half. I think that's what we're going to do. Here we go. You guys get the look. Oh my god, isn't that the most rewarding thing? So we're going to go in with a defining brush and we're going to go in with a little bit of a darker brown, which I think I'm actually going to use the Kat Von D palette for because there's a little bit more shade options there. We're going to go into a darker brown just in the pocket of your lid and then slowly but surely blending down. So in here and then downwards. Sometimes I kind of help guide it by looking down, placing the product there, and then looking up, and it kind of sticks into that area a little bit more neatly. We're still going to be going darker, and we're going to go in with some black. I'm going to use this, actually, it's a blending brush, it just hasn't been shaken out yet. And I'm going to go in with some black, very carefully, and into that crease, right there. See that? So we're going to go into a smudge brush, and so this one here, and a black, and we're going to go into the lash line and almost create like a little C shape or V shape, whatever you want to, whatever helps you envision it. Go into the lash line and blend upwards. Now going into this definer brush and taking a little bit, we're going to make the black a little lighter by going into the gray and black, only dabbing once, and just blending inwards. Now I do want to do a gold, I think, on the inside. So to do that, I think I want to start off with a cut crease. I think this cut crease, I want to make it more sharp. So normally I look up and I try to do a big round circle, but this time I'm going to try to keep it on the actual lid, which is very difficult because it often just kind of doesn't dry before I'm actually ready for it. So we'll see what we can do here. Guys, like it. We did it. Good job. So now we are going into, oh, I have this chocolate. No, I don't want to do that because I did something similar already on this channel. I mean, my nails are lilac, so that's already a color in this look. Should I keep it gold? Guys, I should just keep it gold. Stop trying to change your mind, Mariah. Just do what you were already thinking, what you were already envisioning. Don't go crazy. So I'm going to go into Golden Iris, which is a color I've used before on this channel, but it's absolutely gorgeous, and so I'm just going to ignore the fact that it's been on here before. You know, people have forgotten. It's fine. So we're back and the glitter is on. I really think I like that. Now I just have to kind of blend the in-between spots. Yeah, you can see it's got a good blend there. Same on the other eye. Yeah, you want like a little bit of a more shimmery color to do that because it does tend to blend a little bit more, a little bit better. So you can see that's kind of how it's looking. Okay, I want to clean up under the eyes, and then I'm going to come right back. I'm going to do brows, lashes, and then we'll come back. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, give it a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any ideas for more videos you'd like to see me doing, let me know and I will shout you out in them. I hope you guys like this video and keep watching more. Now, if you recreate this look, I want to see it. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.